Here are 5 easy steps to secure your Gmail emails and your file attachments that most professionals must know. So, the first one is to complete the Gmail security checkup. So, you need to go and have the security checklist for a starting point for enhancing your Gmail security, because users can do this directly from their account by navigating to the security checkup, and the admins can also check the checklist itself in order to support for Google. Then you want to go and choose a strong, unique password, which is a must and for a reason, because password strength is the cornerstone of Gmail security. If your password is very easy to guess and very easy to use, then it's more likely to get easily hacked. So you need to use a unique password and don't use your name, your numbers, or your birthdays or whatever occasions you should use. Don't use those for a password. You need to choose a strong and unique password. Then you want to go ahead and turn on your Gmail two-step verification. So enabling the two-step verification adds a critical extra layer of defense because it will require a temporary code in addition to your password once you log into your Gmail. Then you want to fight the phishing emails. So when you get emails that are too good to be true, just avoid them directly. Just don't click them or don't open any links. And then lastly is to use a simple, effective tool for Gmail encryption, like for this one, where you can use to protect your Gmail account. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.